This is Bo with his son. Look at that profile. Identical. Chip off the old block. This little chocolate monster. All love though. Exactly like his dad. Got that black head just like his dad. Beautiful profile. Sound definition. Totally, I mean rock solid. Bo's about 85 pounds. This little guy will be, in 4 days, he will be 6 weeks old. He's got to be 7 pounds. He's got a thick neck, big old belly, humongous arms. Look at those forearms. Look at the size of these paws on this guy. I mean, look at him. He looks like a little bear. He's huge. Look at that nose. Look at this. Look at this face. Look at this face. Oh, he's beautiful. I just woke him up. He's like, what's going on? Just beautiful personality. This little guy is a snuggler, aren't you? Aren't you? Loves to be held, loves to be snuggled. Look at how beautiful this little guy is. Yes. Can you say, take me home, I'll love you forever. I'll be your best friend. Be a great companion. Aww. All of our puppies are right here in our home. Born right in my bedroom. I have 7-year-old boy-girl twins. They are actively apart. Right now they're out putting the chickens to bed. So yes, we got a lot going on out here. But we have got some beautiful puppies. Beautiful personalities. Gorgeous blackheads. Sound, huge, healthy. Just gorgeous. I'm very sleepy apparently. Aww. Look at this. Look at it. Oh. You going night-night? You go night-night. We can't show everybody how big your head is. Look at this neck. It's just huge. Huge neck. It's like this big. I mean, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. You want to lay down? Lay down like this? Look at that belly. Look at that belly. And look how tolerant it is. Look at the personality. Totally trusting. Do whatever we need to do here. Right? Right, little guy? Right, little guy? And teeth. Look at these teeth. Smile. Say cheese. Oh. Cheese bugger, cheese bugger, cheese bugger. Oh, now you're going to bite me. Aww. Can you give me 5? Choo. Choo, choo, choo. Look at this guy. Say bye-bye. Can you look up there? Here. Oh. Look up there. Say hi. Look at me. Look how cute I am. He's so beautiful. Bye.